Hello everyone. So it's chilly outside. It's like May, almost, well, Mother's Day is Sunday. Anyways, and I've got some hot water going here. I'm going to try to make a little cup of soup. I got this Artisan Farms vegetable stew blend from Walmart.com for $12 and some odd cents. What's in it is peppers, cabbage flakes, onions, carrots, celery slices, green and red bell peppers. I open it up. Oh, it smelled wonderful. And then I've got my Thrive sausage crumbles. I've got to get those used up. And I've got some of my dehydrated tomatoes. Lighthouse freeze-dried garlic. And some Thrive chef's blend, all-purpose chef's blend. So for my stock, I'm going to use a little bit of chicken base and a little bit of the ham base, and it's going to make this awesome, I'm hoping. So let me show you what this looks like first. It smells wonderful. Once these are open, those oxygenators aren't no good. Look at that. Just like crumbled up, but it smells wonderful. And this is what your sausage looks like. Now I've used these on my pizzas. They're wonderful. You know what my tomatoes look like. Okay. So I'm gonna take and let's see, do I want to make the broth first? I think I do. Just make a little stock first. And a little of this goes a long, long way. So about a half of a tablespoon of the ham flavored stock. And I like mixing the two. The chicken one's about almost a tablespoon. Smells good already, but I think this will help me feel better too. You ever have those days where you just feel blah? Okay, I'm not going to add a lot of salt right now. See how nice and rich that is? Can you see? Okay, but I am going to take a sample of it because I want it a little strong for right now. Yep, perfect. Okay. Get these out of my way. Alright. For the vegetable stew blend, two heaping, 3, 4, 5 heaping tablespoons of this. Of the Thrive sausage. About a tablespoon and a half. I'm going to add some more water to this because it's going to refresh. So add about that much garlic, freeze dried. And about that much of the all-purpose freeze-dried herbs. Just kind of stir that up a little. Now, I know with the sausage, it takes about 15 minutes for it to come back to being refreshed. So, I'm going to let it sit that long. I'm going to take about 3 of my tomatoes that are dehydrated and cut that up in there. This tomato flavoring always makes everything better. But yeah, I didn't want to have to go out today, and I wanted some soup, and Bob don't like cabbage, so I'm like, God, this will work out perfect for me for like now, you know. Pick that up, and one more tomato. This is a good way to use up your dehydrated stuff. Alright. And then tomatoes will refresh beautifully. Okay, let's stir those down. Alright. Alright. I'm going to let it set for about 15 minutes and I'll be back. Okay, so I'm checking this and it's getting too thick. So I'm going to pour it in my 4-cup measuring cup. I put in too much of the vegetable stew mix, I think, because I want mine soupy. Doing everything backwards, sorry. I can't do it. But it is refreshing up really good. Now I'm going to add some more hot water to that mix. I'm going to make 4 cups. There we go. And just because I'm going to add a little bit more chicken base to it. There we go. Wanted to bring you along, show you what I had to do. I'll be back when it's all refreshed. Okay, I'm back, and I forgot about it, to be honest. I was busy Marco Poloing, and it's been almost 45 minutes, but everything is dehydrated perfect. Let me see if I can zoom you in a little to it. And it's just like, it tastes really good. I did add a tablespoon of butter because everything tastes better with butter. My review on it, it's pretty good. I will keep it on hand for like an emergency like this, or, you know, but, and I did have to reheat it. I reheated it because, like I said, I got sidetracked, which happens all the time. But see, look at that. Can you see it? Oh, let me zoom you back in. See? It's pretty good. All right. Let me pull you up. There we go. Lots better. Mmm. I like it. You hear that crunch? That's the onion and the celery. Everything's refreshed good. Even the sausage from Thrive. So, I would give this a thumbs up. But don't use as much as I did inside it. If I'm doing a cup like this again, I think I will only put like 2 tablespoons in, and then have your broth and everything with it. And then add, even though it's got potatoes in it, I think I do like the freeze-dried potato dices. They're so good, and it's got that texture, you know. This is kind of like mush. You know, it's just mushed together. Because that's all it is. It's dehydrated small chunks, so it's going to be mushy. But it's really good. So I will give it a thumbs up. And for 12 bucks, I think it's like $12.08, something like that. It's a good buy. So, alright everybody. Big hugs from my pantry to yours. Have a great day.